Hello everyone, I'm Manuel, and today we'll prepare a simple first course with guaranteed success. Pasta coi gamberoni. Let's start. So, I have already cleaned most of them, but I'll show you how it's done. Remove the head, and then peel off the shell. And then, with a knife, slice open the back of the prawns and remove the intestine, which could taste a bit bitter. Set aside your cleaned prawns. What should we do with the waste? Throw them away? No. We can use it to make a nice fish stock that will give our spaghetti a flavor that is absolutely sensational. Let's go. In a very hot saucepan, heat up a drizzle of olive oil, chopped shallots, and add in the heads and the shells of the prawns. Keep the temperature nice and high, okay? You have to try to crush the heads of the prawns like this, so we can get them to release all of their flavor. As soon as it starts to smell toasted, you can deglaze with white wine or brandy, whatever you like. Deglaze with white wine. That's the right sound. Now let's season it with some white pepper and some black pepper and some fresh parsley. Cherry tomatoes cut in half and cover with water. From the moment it boils, we should let it cook for 30 minutes. Smell the scent of the sea. The 30 minutes are now up. I thoroughly filtered our fish stock. And now let's cook the prawns. Add a nice drizzle of oil in a pan, a clove of garlic, and some fresh chili peppers. In go the prawns. Let them brown well. While keeping the temperature nice and high, let them get a nice color on them, and then deglaze with white wine. This is the exact sound we want. Let the alcohol smell evaporate for a few moments, and then remove them from the pan. As a rule, never overcook your prawns, otherwise they become rubber. Take out the garlic and remove the prawns from the pan. Keep the prawns covered so they won't dry out. And now, we add the cherry tomatoes to the pan. The time has come to cook our pasta. I chose spaghetti, but something like linguine would also be fine. We'll cook them in boiling water for only half of their cooking time, because we will finish cooking them in a pan. With what? With the fish stock. You won't believe how tasty it is. 4 minutes have passed. So, let's transfer our spaghetti to the pan. Don't worry, eh? I know they look very raw, and it's true, they are. But we have a little secret called fish stock. Now, obviously I kept it warm so we can pour some of it in the pan, then turn up the heat. Whenever our spaghetti needs liquid, we will pour some stock on top as the spaghetti gets closer and closer to being fully cooked. You will begin to see a cream forming at the bottom of the pan. That means you are doing a good job because the starch that is coming out of the spaghetti is beginning to bind with the sauce. Let's taste it. The spaghetti is al dente. Let's lower the flame and add in the prawns. Make sure you don't forget them. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Fresh parsley. And you can't forget to add in some lemon zest. This addition will give the dish that aromatic note, that somewhat acidic note that is just really good. One last flip and we can plate. A little more parsley and lemon zest. And now, let's have a taste. Very good, Manuel. Good. Very good. Like so.